Once there was an angel who came to a woman named Mary. The angel said, "Go to Bethlehem." She married a man named Joseph. He was a carpenter. One day, Mary and Joseph went to Bethlehem. It was very crowded, so it was hard to find somewhere to stay. One innkeeper saw how worried Mary was. The innkeeper told them that they could stay in a stable. Baby Jesus was born. A star appeared immediately. A shepherd was watching their sheep. Angels appeared. The shepherds traveled to Bethlehem. Wise men saw the star. They met King Herod. When he heard them call Jesus king, he was furious. He disliked anyone who was king. The wise men brought him free gifts: gold, frankincense, and myrrh. They left, told everyone, then returned. That's the story of the first Christmas.